How to do block blast glitch working in 2025. To get you guys a new high score, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Before we start, this glitch only work on iOS and Samsung device on iOS device. You can basically get the game from the App Store on iPhone. If you have a iOS device, guys, you have to get it from the App Store. Version of this app is different to Play Store version, and there's little glitch in the Galaxy Store app that we cannot go ahead and abuse, so make sure you have a iOS device, and that's the only way to perform this glitch. Let's go ahead and start with this video. Go to classic mode. Once you are in the classic mode, you wanna keep on hitting replay until you get a vertical 4 blocks high. Little segment here, let me show you what that will look like. This is what is gonna like. You wanna place this at the bottom right hand corner of your board. Once you guys have done that, once you have done this, place the other blocks wherever you want to, just like this, but make sure they are not anywhere close to the right side of the board. So keep placing them on the left, just as I am doing. Keep doing this until you get another vertical blocks just like the one we got earlier. Now once you get another vertical full blocks row just like this one, you wanna place it in the exact position. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.